Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download SolidWorks for free. As you know, SolidWorks is not a free tool, but there is a way to get it for free. So not a lot of people know that SolidWorks provide an application for early to mid-stage hardware startups. And it's not very common, so you have a good chance to get approved on your application. There is 3 rules that you need to have to apply, which is designing and building physical product with an aim to sell it in the market. You will have less than 1 million in revenue and your startup is not more than 5 years old. So I'll provide the link in the description, then you can apply now from this website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.